Hi lovelies, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make the most healthy Tigernut Parfait. Stay to the end to see why I called it the most healthy parfait you can make at home. Don't worry, all the ingredients will be listed in the description box. Let's get started. First, we'll soak our dates overnight. By morning, they are soft and easier to work with. Now, gently press each side of the dates open, not too hard. Remove the seed inside because that is the only part we don't need. Once all the seeds are removed, set them aside. Now let's make our granola from scratch using bananas. We will use 3 ripe bananas, not overripe ones. Mash them together until smooth. Bananas are packed with nutrients like vitamin B6, which helps your body produce healthy red blood cells, and potassium, which supports your heart health and helps regulate blood pressure. Now add your oats directly into the mashed bananas. No water, just mix patiently until you get a thick and well combined consistency like this. Transfer into a plate or a tray, then pop it into the air fryer for about 10 minutes. While that is baking, let's prepare our apple. Remove the seed from the apple because that is the only part we won't be using. Apples are rich in vitamin C, which supports your glowing skin and immunity. The fiber also helps improve bowel movements and feed good gut bacteria. Chop the apple into any shape you prefer. I prefer mine like this, simple and cute, then set them aside. Once the granola has air fried for 10 minutes, add in your coconut flakes and almond nuts. Mix everything together and return it to the air fryer for another 10 minutes until golden brown and slightly crunchy. Now for the star of the show, our tiger nut blend. Add the soaked tiger nut, coconut and dates into the blender. Remember, tiger nut doesn't need too much of coconut, a little goes a long way. Add some water and cover and blend until smooth. Sift the mixture to remove the chaff. If it's not smooth like my own, just blend again until it's smooth. Pour the tiger nut mix into a pot and add in 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Stir for 20 to 25 minutes until it looks like this. Not too thick, not too watery, just in between. Pour it into a plate, then allow it to cool completely. Now for the fun part layering, start with some tiger nut mix. Add your homemade granola. Put another layer of tiger nut mix. Then add your banana slice, apple pieces and more granola. Finish it up with one last layer of that creamy tiger nut mix. And my lovelies, this tastes so good. Eating this consistently for once or twice a week can support your gut bacteria, help regulate blood pressure, support your brain health, rich in antioxidants that fight inflammation, and help produce natural collagen to your skin. Eating doesn't have to be boring. It can be this delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and share, and let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe. See you in my next video.